Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Visakhapatnam. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, they offer high-quality scanning solutions to various industries. 3D scanning is a process that captures the physical shape and dimensions of an object or environment and creates a digital representation. This technology has revolutionized many industries, including manufacturing, architecture, healthcare, and entertainment. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of accurate and detailed scanning in various applications. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes advanced laser scanners to capture precise measurements and intricate details of objects. Whether it's for reverse engineering, quality control, or virtual reality, their 3D scanning services provide accurate data for improved design and analysis. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for 3D scanning services is their commitment to quality. They adhere to strict quality control measures to ensure that the scan data is reliable and accurate. Furthermore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is committed to delivering timely results to their clients. They understand the importance of efficiency in today's fast-paced business environment. With their streamlined workflows and experienced team, they ensure that projects are completed within the agreed timelines without compromising on the quality of the results. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted provider of 3D scanning services in Visakhapatnam. With their advanced technology, commitment to quality, and wide range of services, they cater to diverse industry needs and deliver accurate and timely results. Whether it's for reverse engineering, quality control, or virtual reality, their 3D scanning services can provide valuable insights for improved design and analysis. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Visakhapatnam. With their cutting-edge technology and experienced team, they offer high-quality scanning solutions to various industries. Whether it is reverse engineering, quality inspection, or product development, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise to deliver accurate and detailed 3D scans. Their 3D scanning services are highly sought after in Visakhapatnam due to their commitment to precision and efficiency. By using advanced scanning equipment, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd can capture the geometry and texture of objects with remarkable accuracy. This allows their clients to have a digital representation of their products, which can be used for a variety of purposes such as prototyping, virtual reality, and documentation. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for 3D scanning services is their ability to handle projects